Good to see the regeneration. I am Jaywick's blogger, and this shed, I remember coming here in 1986 to get a nut for my motorbike. The shed, Fred took us all the way through it to find me one little nut. Then I rode my bike on these fields, age 11.
Yeah.
And those are the good old days of Jaywick.
Yeah. Yeah.
And it's Fred that run it, and he's like a community, you know, it's back in the 70s and 60s he was here. And it kind of went around the late 80s.
Yeah, yeah.
And it's getting pulled down. Wow. Jaywick is regenerating.
For the good, hopefully.
Yeah, it is for the good, yeah. And it's still nice to film it so people remember Fred's shed.
Yeah, yeah.
So, this is basically the last video that I'll ever see of Fred's shed. Not a lot of people even know Fred. They're all newcomers, you know. So, you're building houses on this bit, yeah?
This one here.
Yep.
Obviously, the council wanted that, I think.
Yeah.
Are you still with?
No, I ain't recording yet.
No, I ain't. No.
Oh, you don't know nothing then?
No.
I like it.
Now we're building 10
houses there, yeah?
10 starter homes here.
Nice. Regenerators.
Yeah, I think they've got some permission to probably do some more.
Good. Well, they're basically getting rid of the old and replacing it with the new.
Yeah.
That is called regeneration Jaywick. And there's nothing wrong with that.
No, no.
It's good for all communities to regenerate.
Well, that's it.
Is this first floor of a house, or is this where they park the cars?
This will be the garage at the bottom.
Oh, they drive the car in?
Yeah. And then this is all permeable roads.
Nice.
With obviously where we are with the water.
Yep.
See where the water's flowing on top?
Yep.
2 big beds at the bottom. This will leak. Okay.
Nice.
So if there's any water,
Yep.
I mean that's I mean.
Lovely.
Then a 2-story timber frame on top.
Lovely. It's going to look beautiful with Jaywick.
Yeah.
I'm well happy about the regeneration. I'm glad I got to film Fred's shed though.
Yeah. And you got, did I see you on the telly?
Yeah, I run the Jaywick Sounds Happy Club. I'm the community leader.
Is that up in...
St. Christopher's Church. Don't go get any ideas about putting it down.
No, is that the place near the shop?
Yep, that's right, yep.
What do they call it? Something...
Food, mate.
That's it?
Yeah,
Back of there, is it?
No, it's just, if you go down this little bit here, you do a left around the one-way system.
Yeah.
When you come around the one-way system, just go 10 yards over it and it's there on the right, the church.
Oh, yeah.
It's just right there. You can see the tower. You can see the tower if you look out in the sky. St. Christopher's Church. And goodbye, Fred's shed. Go on, take the roof down for me. I want to see a domino effect.
You've got to be a bit careful because you've got the...
Electrics.
All the electric...
Gotcha. How long has it took to get this much down?
Since about 10 this morning.
10 this morning. Lovely. I'm glad I got to this stage. I'm going to go over there now and make a little video and talk to my fans about what's going on and my memories of Fred's shed. Thanks for letting me film.
Yeah, mate.
Keep up the good work.
Yeah, see you later.
So, ladies and gentlemen, today...
Jaywick gone, mate, isn't it?
I know, Fred's shed!
Is it?
It's Fred's shed! I used to come here.
Shed.
Oh, I don't know about that, but we used to come here 30 odd years ago. He used to sell hardware, and I needed a nut for my motorbike once. I was 11, and he found it in his shed for me on a Sunday. And Fred was a legend. He died a few years ago, but Fred is like a part of this community. Yeah. So to see his shed get pulled down is a very sad day, but it's regeneration, we understand. I'm Danny Stoggett, I'm the Jaywick Sounds Happy Club, and I make all the films for Jaywick.
Yeah, I know, yeah.
So I'm just going to go over there and talk about Fred's shed.
Can't go in there, mate.
No, I'm going to stand over here and have it in the background.
Yeah, I'll be on tonight, yeah?
It's on right now, we're live.
Live, yeah?
Yeah, this is Stoggett Vision.
Live and direct.
Stoggett Vision for the people. Everyone needs someone like me. Nice to meet you guys, all the best. So there you go, ladies and gentlemen, we are here to represent Jaywick, and this is Fred's shed. Fred is a very big part of our community. Fred has been here since the 60s. Fred has always served Jaywick. And as you can see in the distance, Fred's shed is now going, but the memories of Fred's shed will not be gone. Fred's shed will always be in our memories because I've filmed it many times, and I've even filmed it going in pieces. But it is a sad day really, but in another way, it's a great day because this is regeneration, and we do need to get rid of the old to give the new a better future. amazing, and the buildings they put in their place are going to last for another 100 years. So ladies and gentlemen, from me, Danny Sloggett, to all of you beautiful people, can we all come together and remember Fred, and remember Fred Shed, and can we all remember the great times we had with Fred. I was lucky enough to meet Fred. Fred is a very nice man and his family. He had time for me. As I said to them builders, when I was 11, I needed a nut for my Thomas moped. Fred spent over an hour looking for the nut for me. And when he found it, he didn't even charge me. So shine on Fred Shed. Fred Shed will always be part of Jaywick's history. And I hope I've captured it on film and explained to you all who Fred is, what Fred was all about, and what Fred Shed means to Jaywick. Shine on to all you lovely people, and shine on to Fred Shed. Fred Shed forever shines on.